Hey guys, I hope you're well. It's yours truly, Cassie's Creations. Happy Tuesday. This morning I decided to make a fresh salad because some days we want to be green and lean. So I cut up some rocket lettuce, avocado, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, and I dressed it with lemon, olive oil, Cajun spice, and all-purpose seasoning. So this salad can go with anything you like to eat: chicken, fish, beef, jollof rice, anything that you want. Even if you want to have it as just a lunch meal, add some prawns, guys. Live your best life. It's green and lean and seasoning. Okay, so stay tuned for the vibes, and I will keep uploading fresh content. Please, as always, please share, watch, subscribe, and follow. Bye.